Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Pisces Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth, and right now Sun is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with court case, litigation, arguments, competitions, your loans, your daily routine, your health issues you see from sixth house. So right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your sixth house, so we can expect in the month of September you may encounter a lot of competition, but you will gain over competition, win over your court cases, win over your enemies in the month of September because your sixth house Lord is right now in a strong position. And sixth house also deal with your strength to withstand your enemies and your hurdles and your difficulties in your life. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September, especially till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Virgo. So after 17th of September, you need to be take care of your marriage related matter, your relationship related matter, your business related matter, because Sun will be in your seventh house and Sun represents ego. And also control the sixth house. Sixth house will be difficulties, argument, fight. So we can expect in the month of September, especially after 17th of September, you need to be take care of your relationship and your marriage and your business partnership in the month of September because Mars is also moving in your seventh house and Mars represent anger and Sun represent ego. So we can expect in the month of you may have to face a lot of confrontation. You may have to face a lot of ego battle in the month of September after 17th of September. So you need to be take care of these matters in the month of September. But Sun will illuminate your personality in your 18th of September. Sun will also aspect your first house from your seventh house, so we can expect good result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your health related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September for all the Pisces ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Mercury controls your fourth house and your seventh house, and right now Mercury is moving in your sixth house in its retrograde motion. Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 15th of September 2023. Fourth house will with your mother. Your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house. Your property matter is seen from fourth house. Your home, your conveniences related matter, your comfort in life, your happiness, your emotions also seen from fifth house. Seventh house will with your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership, how you meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house also seen from seventh house. Your spouse also seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house Lord and your fourth house Lord is moving in your sixth house and it's a great motion. So we can expect in the month of September you need to be take care of your property related matter and your happiness and your emotions related matter because your fourth house Lord is moving in your sixth house. Your sixth house Lord is also in its strong position. So we can expect you need to be take care of your emotions, your happiness related matter and your property related matter. If you are dealing with some court case litigation in the month of September regarding the property related matter, if the date of decision will fall before the 17th of September, then we can expect positive result for you people regarding any court case related matter related to your property matter because your fourth house Lord is moving in your sixth house. Also, Mercury controls your seventh house, and seventh house Lord is moving in retrograde motion in your sixth house. So you need to be take care of your marriage related matter as well in the month of September, as we discussed previously in some section. There are chances you might have to face some difficulties, some arguments, some fight with your spouse or your relationship in the month of September. So we can expect these results from all the Pisces ascendant people from Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Venus controls your third house and your eighth house, and right now Venus is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Cancer. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your children, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early education is seen from fifth house. How smart you are is also seen from fifth house. Your fun activities and your playing activities also seen from fifth house. Eighth house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house. Your in-laws related matter is also seen from eighth house. Your sudden events means sudden positive events, sudden negative events is also seen from eighth house. Third house deal with your communication. Your communication skills is seen from third house. Your younger siblings, your cousins, your neighbors. Your efforts is seen from third house. Generally, your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. So right now, your third house Lord and your eighth house Lord is moving in your fifth house in the house of love, in the house of relationship, in the house of mental abilities, in the house of children. So we can expect you need to be take care of your children's health in the month of September because your eighth house Lord is moving in your fifth house, and also Ketu is moving in your eighth house from last year March 2023. So Venus is taking Ketu's energy in your fifth house. So you need to be take care of your love relationship, your children's related matter, and your education related matter in the month of September. Because eighth house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, and eighth house lord is right now moving in your fifth house. Venus also controls your third house, and your third house lord is also moving in your fifth house. So we can and fifth house lord is moving in your third house. So we can expect good result regarding your younger siblings related matter, your cousins, your neighbors related matter, because your third house lord is moving in your fifth house, and fifth house lord is exalted in your third house. We can expect these results from Venus for all the Pisces Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Moon controls your fifth house, and right now Moon is moving in your third house and its exalted position in the sign of Taurus. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulty in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses, and Moon considered as sensitive and delicate planet. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Problem will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Mars controls your second house and your ninth house, and right now Mars is moving in your seventh house, as we discussed previously in sun section. Second house deals with your family lineage, your savings related matter, your wealth related matter is seen from second house, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Ninth house deals with your father, your teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your lawyer, your second marriage, and your religious matter and your pilgrimage related matter is also seen from ninth house. So your ninth house lord and your second house lord is moving in your seventh house. So we can expect in the month of September you may have good result regarding a money related matter in the month of September. Also, your ninth house lord is moving in your seventh house, because Jupiter is moving in your second house and Mars taking Jupiter and Rahu's energy in your seventh house. So that's why in some section we have discussed that you need to be take care of your communication related matter regarding your relationship and your marriage related matter. You might have to face some argument in education, because Rahu is also moving in your second house and take it up. Mars is also taking Rahu's energy in your seventh house. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter, your marriage related matter, your business related matter, and you're dealing with your spouse and your business partner after 17th of September, when Sun will move to your seventh house. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Pisces Ascendant people in the month of September. We will have four major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your sixth house and will stay in your sixth house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your fifth house in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. After 3rd September 2023, Venus will turn into its direct motion. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your second house and about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 in your second house. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your sixth house in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 15th September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in our early prediction videos in detail. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my early prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Pisces ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.